Here's how to unblock someone on Facebook. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up the Facebook app. You can see I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the same steps on Android or a computer. To unblock someone, we need to get to your settings. So to do that, you can see at the bottom right is that menu icon. Keep in mind, if you're on a different device, it might be at the top right. Now from here, let me tap on it again. We're going to get to your settings. So you can either tap on the gear icon at the top right or open up settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now they usually move around where this is. So you have two different options. One is you can just search for your block list, or you can just navigate it to it directly. To navigate directly to it, you can see it currently is under the audience and visibility section. You can see towards the bottom is blocking. Now on here, this shows every single account that I have blocked. If I wanted to unblock somebody, I can just tap on unblock and it says it will unblock this person. Keep in mind, when you unblock them, you'll have to wait 48 hours if you want to block them again. And this doesn't necessarily mean you're immediately friends again. You might need to go in and add them as a friend if you want to start chatting with them again.